we're back from Chatsworth House, having seen absolutely amazing, incredible Christmas scenes and Christmas lights, just beautiful. And we're back in Katie. It's raining, as you can hear.
So we're nice and warm in here, but boy,
so
it was cold out there. So it's the end of the year, and I thought it'd be a good time to reflect on the activities we've done during the year, because we've done a lot of things and we've actually not shown you all of them. Before we went out on the bikes at Presthorpe, we did have a little play in them as well.
Oh God, love that. That was hilarious. Going to the pub.
No, before then.
Oh yes, we tested them out around home, and you took me on some ridiculously stupid areas. Nobody ever saw that, thank God.
Well, they will do now. I'm going to put it in.
Oh my God, that was hysterical. So much fun. Oh, enjoy.
After Presthorpe, we went to Castleton.
Yes, that's right, before we went to Scotland.
Yeah, and we did an amazing walk all the way around the top of Castleton.
That was freezing cold as well, wasn't it?
It was, normally freezing
Baltic
cold.
again.
Got the drone up, got some good shots there.
Oh, beautiful, really lovely. Yeah, you've not seen any of this, have you?
No. Then we went to the Lake District.
Yes, we did, and we saw Next Stop Everywhere at Troutbeck.
Yeah,
not there now, are they? But
no,
that's where
not.
they were.
Nice walk down the river there. Well,
Yeah.
actually we didn't walk. It was supposed to be a walk. We took the bikes.
We did. And we went to the waterfalls, didn't we?
Yeah, and then we went off to Scotland, and you've pretty much seen kind of Scotland over the last couple of months. And then after Scotland, we went to Wales, but the first kind of trip we did was to Dolgellau. About 11 o'clock at night, so I went out for a hike.
That's right.
At midnight. Everybody thought we were mad. And then we did a fantastic ride into Barmouth along the cycle route.
Yeah, oh, that was lovely, going over the water as well, on that old bridge.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And then we did the precipice walk.
Oh, that is stunning. There's a new one and an old one, isn't there?
Yeah.
That is apparently the older one, and they've now got a newer one, because I'm not sure you can still do the old one now. I don't know. But somebody on Twitter told us about that, didn't they? So many places in Wales, just stunning. We did so much there.
I think we went next to Anglesey.
Oh, that was just like the first 2 days was so bad. The sea mist, wasn't there? You couldn't see a thing, and we ended up driving Katie over to Conwy, didn't we?
Yeah.
And that's when we first found Conwy and absolutely fell in love with it.
Yeah, it's lovely there.
Beautiful, so gorgeous.
We walked around the castle.
Yeah, castle walls.
Went in the little smallest house in
Oh yeah, that took
England.
all of a minute and a half, I think it was.
Yeah.
Amazing though, so cool. A whole huge family lived there as well.
On Holyhead. Who did we meet?
King in it!
Yes.
Oh my God!
Well, we're just on our ride to Southstack, and guess who we've met?
I mean, you can't really miss us, you know.
King in it!
They had a ride on our bikes.
They did, yeah, Craig and Amy. That was brilliant meeting them, it was so much fun.
Yeah, and they gave us a shout out as well, which added about 300 subscribers to our channel, so thank you very much for that. And then we moved on Anglesey to a different site, which I really liked. Top Gun.
Oh, with all the aeroplanes, the aircrafts and stuff.
Yeah, we're training for the Red Arrows.
And it was so loud as well. And apparently, one of them waved at him early in the morning. He came out and the guy did that to him, whipping off, didn't he?
No, he didn't wave, he did his wings. He waved his wings like this.
Oh God.
We also did a walk up Cedar Idris. That was good.
Idris? Yeah, that's lovely. We've done that before, haven't we?
Yeah.
Many years ago. Yeah, it's beautiful. That's lovely.
Went off to Aberystwyth.
Yes, we did.
Yeah. What are you laughing at? Have I said that?
Yes.
I think it was quite close. I nearly killed myself there, actually.
Did you?
Yeah. I nearly rode off the edge of a cliff on my bike.
Oh God, yeah, near the sea.
I've not even looked at that footage yet, so when I make this video,
I haven't seen that, yeah.
it's going to be in there.
Oh, he was shouting quite a lot. Unsurprisingly.
Do you remember the fantastic, well, we basically saw it on the internet, and I contacted a friend of mine to kind of find out where it was, because it's a secret location.
The Fisherman's Walk.
Yes.
Oh, that was magnificent. Quite scary, and we're not going to disclose where it is because it's very dangerous.
And it's on, well, it's not really dangerous, but it's on private land.
Yeah, and we've seen the water going really, obviously when we went it was very shallow, wasn't it, because it was in summer, but we've seen it where it's really high and it's right up to where the metal work is.
Yeah.
And if you fell in, you'd die. That's proper dangerous.
Yeah, I even had a swim there
Yeah,
actually.
you did. It was lovely, wasn't it? It's very nice.
Yeah.
Pretty.
We rode over the Menai Bridge to Anglesey.
Oh, we did, yeah.
Yeah, that was good fun.
That made us think, oh, we might want to live there, didn't we?
Yeah.
We thought, but it's a bit too far.
And that's when we were staying at near Llanberis.
Yeah.
And we did a hike.
Oh God, we've done so much.
No, but we did it. That you must remember the hike that we did up Snowdon. We didn't take the easy route. We took the
Crib
hardest
Goch.
route up Snowdon.
Oh my God, that's the most fun. Yeah, there's so much you haven't seen. There is so many places. Yeah, can't wait to show you Wales. It is a beautiful, beautiful place.
Yeah, and that
And we
particular
explored a lot, didn't
that
we?
particular day, I decided that we were going to do the hardest route up Snowdon, and we weren't going to set off until 5 o'clock at night because I wanted to.
Cabby dog, nutter.
I wanted to see the sunset,
Yeah,
and it was
mental.
beautiful.
It was beautiful, but it was pitch black coming down again, wasn't it?
Yeah, of course.
God.
What else did we do? Yeah.
That's what we're going to show you. A bit of sunshine, a bit of warmth, and give you some inspiration for next year. We have had a fantastic year, haven't we? We have never done so much travelling in Katie. It's been beautiful.
Yeah, it has.
Really, really stunning. We've had an incredible year.
And next year we're hoping to go skiing in Katie.
Yeah.
So that's going to be good.
exciting.
Yeah.
I can't wait. I am rubbish at skiing, so I'm going to have a mental time. You love it. Black runs. Me, scream, cry. Rather like just walk through the whole resort naked, then get on a pair of skis by about Wednesday. But yeah, so that's going to be fun.
I'll be there with the camera if you're going to walk through the resort
No.
naked. Anyway, so that's our year this year and what we're going to do next year. And all we've got to do now is really wish you
A very Merry Christmas
and a Happy
and a
New
Happy
Year.
New Year.